guys, welcome to my channel Fat Fashion Fitness, and my name is Siddhi. So this is a super duper huge Shein haul, especially for plus size, and this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased most of these products and I haven't really figured out what I want to return. So yeah, there will be a lot of accessories also, and there is a completely separate video that I'll be creating only for accessories. So enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy it, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button. Bye. Tomorrow I will be uploading part 2 of this video. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon so that you do not miss any notification. Until then, bye.